The CytoSMART Lux3 BR is a compact and cost-effective bright field microscope for high-quality live cell imaging inside your cell culture incubator. You can use it for publication-ready imaging, accurate cell tracking, cell morphology analysis, and more. It's very easy to start an experiment with the Lux3 BR. Place the device in the incubator and connect the USB cable to the device and the laptop. Place your desired culture vessel on the Lux3 BR. For comparison studies or large research groups, you can image multiple cultures simultaneously in the same incubator with the Lux3 BR Duo Kit or Multi-Lux3 BR. Up to 4 devices can be connected to the same laptop, each imaging a different culture vessel. Open the CytoSMART app and log into your personal account. The green LED of the device will light up, and your cell culture will be shown in the live view. You can switch between devices and set up each experiment individually. Move your culture vessel to image your region of interest and adjust the focus level. Adjust the exposure time to get optimal images. Beware that too large of an exposure time can harm your cells. When you're satisfied with the image settings, you're ready to start your online experiment. Organize your experiments by assigning them to projects. Provide an experiment name and description. You can analyze cell confluence or wound closure in a scratch assay by selecting the respective analysis algorithms. Indicate whether you would like to make a snapshot or time-lapse. For a time-lapse, specify the imaging interval and the endpoint or open-ended imaging. Then you're ready to start your experiment. With the CytoSMART Cloud, you can monitor your cells anywhere, anytime. The cloud also enables image processing and fine-tuning of your analyses to obtain optimal experiment data. Export your experiments as videos or images, and include your colleagues if you want to share your results. Enjoy high-quality live cell imaging with the CytoSMART Lux3 BR.